Hello, exotic food lovers. Today we're going to explore one of the most impressive and delicious delicacies of the sea, the giant Australian lobster. Get ready to discover everything about this ocean treasure and how it's prepared in oriental cuisine. The giant Australian lobster is known for its impressive size and imposing appearance. With a body that can weigh up to 24 pounds, this lobster is a true giant of the sea. Its robust claws and powerful tail make it a magnificent sight and a challenge for any chef. One of the most striking features of this lobster is its vibrant coloration. Its body is a deep red, with claws and tail that range from golden to orange. This combination of colors not only makes it beautiful, but also indicates its health and freshness. In oriental cuisine, the giant Australian lobster is a true delight. One of the most popular preparations is a lobster sashimi, where the lobster is served raw, sliced thinly. The firm, sweet meat combined with soy sauce and wasabi offers a unique experience of flavor and texture. But don't worry if sashimi isn't your thing. There are other delicious ways to enjoy this marvel. Another traditional way to prepare the lobster is grilled with garlic butter. The lobster is cut in half, the claws are opened, and everything is generously seasoned with garlic butter and fresh herbs. The aroma that fills the kitchen is irresistible, and the meat, when roasted, becomes succulent with an unparalleled flavor. But let's talk about a preparation that's winning hearts around the world: lobster with cheese. Yes, you heard it right. In oriental cuisine, the lobster is often covered with a generous layer of melted cheese, creating a surprising combination. The cheese adds an extra layer of flavor, perfectly balancing with the sweetness of the lobster meat. Besides its taste, the giant Australian lobster is rich in nutrients. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein, as well as vitamins and minerals like zinc and selenium, which are essential for a balanced diet. This makes it not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a healthy choice for your diet. Interestingly, these lobsters are incredibly resilient. They can survive for long periods out of the water, which makes their transportation across the world easier. This ensures that, even on the farthest tables, the giant Australian lobster arrives fresh and ready to be enjoyed. And we can't forget about sustainability. The fishing of the Australian lobster is strictly controlled to ensure that populations remain healthy and that fishing is done responsibly. So, when you savor a lobster, you can be sure you're supporting sustainable fishing practices. To conclude, eating a giant Australian lobster is more than just a meal. It's a gastronomic experience that celebrates the best of the sea. Whether raw, grilled, or with cheese, each bite is a testament to the beauty and diversity of marine life. Did this make your mouth water? Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exotic culinary adventures. Leave a comment telling us which lobster preparation you'd like to try, and of course, give a like if you enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends so they too can discover the charms of the giant Australian lobster. See you next time.